Tell me about that pine cone.
Well, first when they got into a snow.
Tell me about how cute it is.
That's pretty.
Who got it for you?
You did.
I did?
Yeah.
Can you cover it up in snow?
Yeah.
Make it buried treasure? Like that? Put some snow on top of it? Oh, more snow on it.
No. That one was I not there.
Here, put more snow on it. Put snow on it. Like this, like that, like that, like that. See how we buried it? Now go find it. Go find it. Oh, oh, there goes my glove. Oh, you found it! Yay! Mariel found the buried treasure. Hey, let's set it up on the deep freeze, okay?
Okay.
Can you tell the people about it? Tell us what kind of pine cone do you think it is? Where did it come from?
Come from the tree.
From a tree?
Mhm.
What kind of tree?
That tree.
That tree?
Yeah.
Okay. You sure it wasn't any one of these trees over here? Or these bushes? No? Okay. Just making sure. Let's go put it on the deep freeze so it can melt and be pretty and we can find something creative to do with it. Because you know your mommy likes to do creative things. We love crafts. Whew. Stomp, 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 stomp your boots. Yay! Yay for pine cones. Say yay, pine cones. Turn around and say it. Mario, turn around and say it. Say yay, pine cone. Are you eating snow? Yeah. I see that guilty look on your face. Oh, don't show me that. That's gross. Oh! Bye. Can we get one of Mommy and you? Come here. Come here. No, I said come here, Mario. When I say do that something, you come here. Here. Put that over my head. Get me some and put some over my head. And do it on camera. So they can see. But you gotta come over here. No, not on the camera. You can ruin a camera that way, honey. On me. Ooh, get some more and do it. Peace, everyone. Do it on my head. Ah! Got more on my leg than my head. That's okay, though. Say bye, everyone. Okay, you just keep eating snow. Just make sure it's not yellow or black or any other funky color.
Okay.